important question of chapter 3rd. In this question, we are using concept of simple interest. What is given? Sushant invested certain amount of money in two schemes A and B. There are two schemes A and B, and she has invested some amount, we don't know about amount, which offer interest at the rate of 8% per annum and 9% per annum respectively. Means in this force in scheme 2, in scheme A, rate of interest is 8% per annum, and in scheme B, rate of interest is 9% per annum. She received, and total interest she is receiving rupees 1860. So let's see this question up to this point only. We have to find how much money did she invest in each scheme. हमें बताना है कि वो दोनों स्कीम A and B में कितना अमाउंट इन्वेस्ट करती है. So first of all we will consider the amount she investing in each scheme. Let amount invested in scheme A is equal to rupees X and amount invested in scheme B is equal to rupees Y. Now we are taking case first. In case first, rate of interest in scheme A is 8% per annum. Rate of interest in scheme A is 8% per annum. Annum means for 1 year. Rate of interest in scheme B is equal to 9% per annum. And annum is given, then she is receiving rupees 1860 as annual interest, means time is 1 year. And we know that simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time divided by 100. We will use this concept. So interest after 1 year, or you can write interest for 1 year, is equal to interest on scheme A plus interest on scheme B. हम स्कीम A से जो इंटरेस्ट मिल रहा है और स्कीम B से जो इंटरेस्ट हमें मिल रहा है, उन दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे तो वो टोटल इंटरेस्ट के इक्वल हो जाएगा जो कि वो रिसीव कर रही है. और वो कितना रिसीव कर रही है? 1860. सो interest on scheme A will equal to, here principal is X, rate is 8 and time is 1 divided by 100 plus Y into 9 plus 1 by 100, and she is receiving 1860. Now it will equal to 8x by 100 plus 9y by 100, and it is equal to 1860. On simplifying, we will get 8x plus 9y is equal to, we have done cross multiplication after taking LCM. Let it is equation number. In case second, what is given? Had she interchanged the amount of investment into scheme, अगर वो दोनों स्कीम में लगने वाले अमाउंट को इंटरचेंज इंटरचेंज कर देती है, देन मीन्स वहां पर रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इंटरचेंज हो रही है, देन शी वुड हैव रिसीव्ड ₹20 मोर एज एनुअल। मीन्स अगर वो अमाउंट को इंटरचेंज करती है, मीन्स x रुपीज पे 9% का इंटरेस्ट लगता है और y रुपीज पे 8% का इंटरेस्ट लगता है, तो जितना इंटरेस्ट उसे मिल रहा है, कितना मिल रहा है 1860, उससे 20 रुपीज मोर, उससे 20 रुपए ज्यादा, मीन्स 1860 प्लस 20 विल इक्वल टू 1880, मीन्स 1880 रुपए उसे मिलेंगे। सो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन वी विल ट्राई फॉर केस सेकंड, we will make condition for second case. In case second, rate of interest for scheme A is equal to how much? 9% per annum, and rate of interest for scheme B is equal to 8% per annum. So interest for 1 year will equal to interest of scheme A plus interest of scheme B. And what is the interest for 1 year? 1860 plus 20. And here interest of scheme for A, scheme A, we will use same formula, principal rate into time divided by 100, means principal is x, rate is 9, time is 1 divided by 100 plus y into 8 into 1 divided by 100. On solving we will get 1880 is equal to 9x by 100 plus 8y by 100. On solving we will get 9x plus 8y is equal to, what we have done, taking LCM, हमने सबसे पहले LCM लिया, then do cross multiplication और cross multiply किया. So in this way we get second equation. This is our first equation, this is our second equation. Now we have to solve these equations. For making our calculation simple, we can do, firstly we can add these equations, then we can subtract these equations. On adding equation first and second, what we will get, 8x plus 9x 17x plus 9y plus 8y 17y is equal to 3 zeros, 8 6 14, 1 carry, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 1 17, 1 carry 3. And now taking 17 as common, what will become, x plus y, 17 2s are 34, 3 remainder 34. What will left, x plus y is equal to 22,000. This is equation number 3. Why I have done this? For making these calculations simple. Suppose I multiply this equation by 9 or this by 8, then this calculation will be so large. So I want to reduce my calculating part. That's why I have added. Now on subtracting इक्वेशन फर्स्ट फ्रॉम सेकंड, अब हम क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को सेकंड में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. 9x माइनस 8x x प्लस 8y माइनस 9y माइनस y will left. Then here 1,88,000 minus 1,86,000, what will left, 22,000 will left. This is equation number 4. Now we will solve these equations, means third and fourth. From equations third and fourth, x plus y is equal to 22,000 and x minus y is equal to 2,000. Then on adding what we will get, plus y minus y cancel out, x plus x, 2x is equal to, on adding we will get 24,000. X is equal to 24,000 divided by 2, x is equal to 12,000. So we get the value of x, and now we have to find the value of y. We can put this value of x in any of these two equations. Suppose I am putting in third, so on putting the value of x in equation third, what is the value of x? 12,000 plus y is equal to 22,000. Y is equal to 22,000 minus 12,000. Y is equal to 10,000. So we get the value of x and y. Now amount invested in scheme A is x, and what is the value of x? 12,000, means rupees 12,000, and amount invested in scheme B is equal to y, and what is the value of y? 10,000, rupees 10,000. This is our question.